Today I'm sharing one of my favorite snacks, that is semolina toast. So let's start. In a bowl, add some curd, semolina, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, green chilies, and salt and red chili powder. Then mix everything well until it forms a smooth and thick batter like this. Now heat a pan and grease it lightly with oil. Then place a bread slice on the pan and toast it slightly from both sides. Once done, spread our prepared batter on the one side of the bread. Now carefully flip the bread so that the batter side is facing down. And cook it on medium flame until the batter becomes crispy and golden. Now flip it back for few seconds and that's it. Our semolina toast is ready.